gotta find him. Where could he be? This is the alley behind that place he was standing at. Oh, it gives me the creeps.
Not yet.
Fritz, thank God I found you.
Come on, join me, Winston, my love. It's not very pretty looking, but it's cozy as a bitch.
Fritz, come out of there, will you please?
The hell you say? With the fuzz comb in the whole city looking for me? Hey, has my picture appeared on TV yet? Have they broadcast an alarm? Have they offered a reward for any information leading to my arrest?
Oh, don't be so melodramatic. You and your illusions of grandeur. I'm not getting in that filthy, grimy garbage can with you.
Okay, go fuck yourself.
Oh, you're such a child. Such a self-centered, egotistical child. Oh, this is disgusting.
Look, if you're going to talk about my garbage can, well, you can just get the hell out, you know?
Listen, Fritz, are you still going to bug out or not?
Are you kidding, Toots? I got no choice at this point.
Then listen to me, will you? I've got a car and some money. I can get all the things we need, and we can leave right away. We can go out to the coast. I'll get a good job as a private secretary, and you can work on your poetry and all.
Oh, well, okay.
We can get married and rent a nice little pad in Frisco and dig the scene out there. It's supposed to be a great town.
Frisco? Yeah, hey, okay.
She makes men into boys, she makes giants into men. She'll have you feeling guilty before you can count to 10. Always sharp mind and a body to match. Always on fashion from an eagle to a latch. Who is the girl in the fiberglass shorts? Well, it's got to be Winston Schwartz.
Zooming down that old lonesome highway. Ah, it's wild.
Yeah, marvelous.
Marvelous, my ass is exalting. Elating, that cool night wind blowing past the window. Oh, man.
I'm hungry. Let's stop someplace.
How the hell with stopping? I just want to feel those miles flying by.
I'm hungry.
Let's dig one of those little greasy truck stops. I'd like to talk with those truck drivers, you know? Hear what they got to say about life on the road. Yeah. I bet they got wild stories of the road. Drivers, trucks, hijackers, fights. Yeah, let's do
Here's a good place. I'll have your deluxe steak with salad and coffee, black.
All right. And what would you like, sir?
Oh, that was really a fine steak. You can always depend upon Howard Johnson's.
Let's get back on the road, huh?